Are you ready to upgrade your wrist game? Today, we're diving into the top 5 smartwatches that combine style, functionality, and affordability. Whether you're tracking fitness goals, staying connected on the go, or simply want a tech-savvy accessory, these watches deliver. Number 5. Starting our countdown, at number 5, we have this incredible 1.45-inch men's smartwatch that packs serious features into a compact design. This watch features a crisp 360p TFT display that makes everything crystal clear, from notifications to fitness stats. What really sets this apart is the built-in LED flashlight, perfect for those late-night jogs or when you need quick illumination. The 300 mAh rechargeable battery keeps you powered throughout your busy day, while the 3 ATM water resistance means you can wear it worry-free during workouts or in the rain. With Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity, it pairs seamlessly with your iPhone, and the pedometer accurately tracks your daily steps and sports activities. The USB charging makes powering up convenient wherever you are. This is the perfect entry-level smartwatch that doesn't compromise on essential features. For those interested in grabbing this watch, you'll find the link in the description and comments below. Number 4. At number 4, we're looking at a true fitness enthusiast's dream watch. This durable smartwatch is built to last and designed for men who take their workouts seriously. The standout feature here is the wireless calling capability. Take calls directly from your wrist without reaching for your phone. But that's just the beginning. This watch boasts over 100 outdoor sports modes, covering everything from running and cycling to hiking and swimming. Yes, it's completely waterproof, so you can track your swim sessions with confidence. The fitness tracking monitors your heart rate, calories burned, steps, and sleep quality. The bright display shows all your stats at a glance, while smart notifications keep you connected. Battery life is impressive, easily lasting several days on a single charge. Whether you're hitting the gym or staying active throughout your day, this smartwatch keeps pace with your lifestyle. Check the description and comments for the link. Number 3. Coming in at number 3 is this stunning full-touch HD sports smartwatch that works perfectly for both men and women. The high-definition touchscreen is incredibly responsive and makes navigation a breeze. This watch takes connectivity to the next level with wireless calling, so you can answer calls directly from your wrist. The motion tracking feature is highly accurate, recording every step and workout throughout your day. Here's where it gets really cool. This smartwatch gives you remote photography control and music control right from your wrist. Snap photos hands-free or change your workout playlist without touching your phone. It's compatible with both Android and iPhone devices. The sports modes are comprehensive, helping you optimize every workout. The sleek design looks great at the gym or in meetings. This is the perfect gift for anyone who values style and functionality. The link is in the description and comments below. At number 2, we have this impressive 1.83-inch multifunctional smartwatch perfect for anyone seeking the complete package. The larger screen makes everything easier to read and interact with. This watch handles wireless calls effortlessly, with clear voice quality for full conversations. Text message reminders ensure you never miss important communications. Multiple sports modes track activities with precision, helping you reach fitness goals faster. Remote camera control is built in, making group photos incredibly easy. Music control puts your playlist at your fingertips. Long battery life means less charging and more doing. There's even a sitting reminder to keep you healthy during work sessions. The metal body gives it a premium feel and durability, while the comfortable silicone strap is perfect for all-day wear. This smartwatch truly does it all. Find the link in the description and comments below. Number 1. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. Our number 1 pick. This large-screen smartwatch is the ultimate choice for anyone who demands the best. What makes this the top pick? That gorgeous large display makes everything pop beautifully. The HD voice calling quality is exceptional, delivering crystal-clear conversations that rival your phone. This watch is fully compatible with both iPhone and Android devices. Multiple sports modes are comprehensive and accurate, tracking everything from walks to intense workouts. Sleep monitoring is incredibly detailed, helping you improve your sleep quality. Battery life is outstanding, keeping you powered for days. Whether for sports, outdoor adventures, or daily wear, this smartwatch adapts perfectly. This is the watch that delivers everything you need and more. Ready to transform your wrist game? Check the description and comments for the link to claim yours today. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please like our videos, share them on social media, and leave your comments below. See you in the next video.